right, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Quip toothbrush. As you all know, the Quip toothbrush comes with a replaceable AAA battery that needs to be replaced once every 3 months, and that's with normal usage. And so you're going to have to access that. Now, with the Quip toothbrush, the battery is actually located within inside of the lower capsule of the toothbrush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to access it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the toothbrush and you're going to flip it on the back side, and you'll see 2 dots right here. All right. So these 2 dots, I want you to take the 2 dots. You see where it is right here? See where the toothbrush head is? Take the 2 dots, where see the 2 dots are. Place your finger on the 2 dots, and then your other hand on the bottom of the capsule. And what you're going to do is you are going to bend it upwards like this, or actually break it down like that. Okay, so it snaps like this. Push it away from you. You see what I did? Push it away from you, and it snaps open. Now, once it's snapped open, you're going to take this right here. There's a tube. You're going to pull up on this. And when you pull up on this, you're going to place this down right here. Do not lose that part. The battery is actually located inside of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the capsule and I'm just going to gently tap on it like that, and the battery comes down. Now, once you have this battery out, the battery that's dead, you discard of the battery, get a new battery, and then you're going to place the battery with the flat side. You see this right here? The flat side down in here. Okay, so the nub side is going to be facing upwards. All right, so I'm going to take it, I'm going to place it in there, drop it down, and then I'm going to take this and then I'm going to place it back in, and it's going to line up to where it fits into these grooves right here. Do you see this right here? It's going to fit into these grooves, so you can't really mess up on this, okay? So you put into the grooves and you see it's flat like that. So once it's like that, I'm going to take the head, the toothbrush head, and then I'm going to bring it back like this, and then I'm just going to push it down, and it snaps into place. And then you're ready to use your toothbrush again. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.